This is TWiT.
I realized that this is a very old app. It has not been updated since 2015, which is a couple years ago now. However, I'm going to tell you that in this dual phone wielding world of the Android reviewee, the Android tryouter, it really
official
helps to
title.
have
Tryouter.
Yeah, whatever. Tryouter. It really helps to have, I really hate it when I want to use a phone as a daily driver, but my SIM doesn't work with it because I'm a Verizon subscriber. So what I did is I found this app, which is very helpful. So what it does is it actually forwards the SMS from my primary phone, which is the Pixel XL, to whatever phone I have my second SIM in, which is the SIM that I have. It's a MVNO SIM, and it just goes into whatever other device I have because I just pay for it, whatever. Anyway, so this app is called FREEforward, SMS forwarding. Obviously, you can see it's a little outdated in its design, but I read through the reviews and people are really satisfied with this app. And I'll tell you, after using it for about a week and a half, I really appreciate that now I can try out another phone and still have all the stuff kind of end up at, on my device. This also probably works with a tablet device. So maybe if you don't want to deal with having to wield two devices at the same time, it'll work for you. So what I was going to have Jason do is send me a text message off camera, of course, so that you don't see my phone number. And then I was going to show you how it shows up on my secondary phone, which is an LG V30 right now, which is what I've been tryouting.
Tryouting, as they say in the industry.
As they say, yes, or whatever. So please, sir, if you might send me a text message. No MMS, though, I have to say, because that will not come through. Okay,
so I'm going to send something. Hold on.
Yes.
It's loading my conversation here because apparently I'm doing this in Hangouts.
Is it? Are you doing it in Hangouts? Oh,
yeah, well,
dear.
because I have voice there. That's where most of my stuff. Okay, so then I'm going to say, hi, Flo.
Yeah.
Are great. And send. Woohoo. Okay. I have sent it. Now it's time to try outing it.
So I got a notification, as we can quickly see.
It's a white block of
see. Yeah. And I really do apologize that this demo is not in person, but I'm gonna try and explain it. So I have a little notification here that I have a text message, and then I'm trying not to shake my setup right now. And then over here I have a notification that Jason Howell has sent me a text message on my Pixel. And now when I tap on the FREEforward, it'll show me all of these text messages that I've had forwarded to me. And then I can tap on Jason. Well, I don't want to show you his number, but it'll pop up a little dialog box here. I'll show you from far away so you can't see it. And you can actually reply from your other phone with no issue. It's just going to route it back through your primary phone. So the options I have is to copy the number to the clipboard, call the number, which would call it from this SIM, send SMS, and then send SMS via the linked device, which is the primary device. This thing is super easy to set up. All you have to do is enter in 2 connect codes on the 2 phones that you're doing. So it's easy to kind of like switch between different devices. And yes, it is an old app, but I just so much appreciated the utility of this thing. There are a lot of apps in the Google Play Store that I think offer a huge utility that haven't maybe been updated in years, that people are still finding and still using. And so I just wanted to showcase an app maybe for anybody who has a really specialized situation. Maybe you're wielding a bunch of different devices. Maybe you have a work phone and a personal phone that you want to like ensure that you're getting your text messages from your significant other, on the business phone. So, and it's free. I did pay, I think, $1.68 or something like that to support the developer, but not even an issue because I had plenty stored up in my Google Bank from the surveys I've taken.
Very cool. A couple questions, Flo, real quick.
Yes.
Does it support more than one secondary device? Like, so you say if you have your V30 and then say another review phone, you can do 3 phones, so it's just one phone.
I think it's just one. Yeah, it says hook up 2 devices.
Only 2, right?
Yeah,
And
i.e. work phone.
Does it look like
private
it
phone,
uses
or-
data to do this, or how does it work?
So it says, yes, it's via the way it works through WhatsApp, because it'll work with WhatsApp, is through a data connection. So I'm assuming this is the same
Got it.
mannerism that it's working
And so
in.
if it's using WhatsApp's engine, that's probably actually pretty good because it's probably encrypted and pretty secure and everything. Because that'd be my only concern, right?
End-to-end encryption.
It's like, who can read my text messages now that they're going to some kind of cloud
bouncing
server?
around,
Or is
yeah.
it peer-to-peer? Like, is it
No,
actually
it's-
encrypted peer-to-peer? Which I think it is if it's WhatsApp.
end-to-end.
Or,
Yeah.
Cool. Awesome. Thanks.
So.
Nice.
Nice.
It's FREEforward, one word. You can also put in SMS forwarding in there along with FREEforward. But I think FREEforward, one word, is probably going to find you the right place.